bounds.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the Wilmington Police Department. There is a train accident at the Churchman's Crossing. The train that got into an accident was carrying a flammable trailer at the back and got exploded when impacted. The fire of the explosion was big and strong, that it causes mild fire spreading through the area. Firefighters are on the scene to extinguish the fires. The authorities are requesting that all residents to evacuate the area that are near the fires. Do not attempt to bring any of the supplies as the fire is spreading faster at an alarming rate. All street roads are being blocked until the fire has been put out. Make sure you are remaining tuned to this station for more information and updates. Repeating, evacuate the area immediately.